Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you an easy roasted potatoes recipe. The potatoes are flavored in a delicious garlic butter sauce. They're so good and they're the perfect side. Don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoy it. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I went ahead and peeled 4 medium-sized gold potatoes. We're going to start by cutting up the potatoes. I'm cutting mine into wedges, but you can cut yours however way you want. Just make sure they're equal sizes. So I just sliced the potato into 2 halves, then cut each half into 3 or 4 equal wedges depending on how big the potato is. Once I've cut up all my potatoes, I'm going to grab a baking sheet, then transfer the potatoes onto it. My baking sheet is non-stick, so if yours isn't, make sure you spray it with non-stick spray, that way nothing sticks. Drizzle some olive oil all over your potatoes, then season with salt and pepper. Go ahead and toss everything together to get the seasonings on every single piece. Then arrange them in a single layer on the baking sheet. Next, I have some garlic cloves from 1 whole garlic head. We're going to use the garlic to make garlic butter sauce for the potatoes later. I already peeled my garlic. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on them. Then I'm going to wrap the garlic in an aluminum foil, and this is going to bake with the potatoes. You're going to place your potatoes and garlic in a 425 Fahrenheit preheated oven, then roast them for 45 minutes. Halfway through, after about 20-25 minutes, you're going to take out your potatoes, turn them over, then you're going to put them back into the oven to roast for the remaining time. After 45 minutes, they'll look nice and golden brown. They'll be very crispy on the outside and buttery on the inside. Alright, so now we're going to set the potatoes aside, then make the very flavorful garlic butter sauce for the potatoes. You're going to grab your baked garlic, and you see how caramelized they are. When you bake garlic this way, it gives them a sweet buttery flavor. You're going to mash them up into a paste like that. Then in a small pan over medium heat, you're going to toss in some butter. Once the butter has melted, you're going to add the mashed up garlic. Stir and cook for about 15 seconds. Then you're going to add some fresh parsley. Toss everything together, and that's about it. You're going to drizzle your sauce all over your roasted potatoes. Go ahead and coat the potatoes with the sauce, and we are done. These roasted potatoes came out so good. The flavor is amazing. These will make a great side, especially during the holidays. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.